Hey, Rigo, you there?
Yes,
Hey, sorry, man, I had to take care of something. All right, so
that's right.
say that again. So Abigail got you the form signed and everything, and you're concerned to bring
Yeah,
us
she
these
already
numbers.
sent me the stuff. I haven't signed it yet, but I haven't signed it because Geico is telling me that I'm gonna have to pay like out of pocket if because you guys aren't on their in their network.
Really? Okay. Who told you this?
The adjuster.
Who's the adjuster signed on it?
Uh, uh,
Do you have their name or number just so I can know? Because it's illegal for them to be saying stuff like that because it's untrue. So, I mean,
okay.
I
No, I
guess they
mean,
can do anything they want, right? But it's technically called insurance steering. So,
okay. Yeah, I have her name. You could just give me a second.
no, yeah, take your time, brother. I like to know because like these sorts of things, I got to document and send up, because it's not okay because it kind of scares you, to even want to use
Yeah,
us.
that's the whole thing. Like, I just want to make sure that I'm not gonna have to pay out of pocket. You know.
Yeah, no, because like with your insurance company, they're supposed to properly indemnify you and pay for everything, to go ahead and and repair your vehicle. So, yeah, I mean that should never anything. I mean, like to be honest, Rigo, I got Geico here today, and they're inspecting 10 cars and they're giving me checks. I mean, I send you pictures. Like I got a $17,000 check right
Yeah,
in front of me.
that's what I hear too. That you got a lot of Geico.
Bro, we got like a lot of Geicos here, so it's just kind of crazy
Yeah.
that they're trying to steer people away and tell people this, Because imagine,
Okay.
like, we've built some trust, of course, and got referred by a reputable person, right? Well, if we weren't, like,
Yeah,
poss-
yeah,
possibly might, get not even want to use me anymore. So.
yeah. So you're saying I wouldn't have to pay anything out of pocket?
Yeah, correct. Like, you should have no out-of-pocket costs, on this thing. Like, they got to pay for anything and everything that's needed to properly repair your vehicle. I mean, that's literally what the contract that they sold you is.
Okay. She also sent me like the I guess they send you like a doc of physical damage letter and stuff.
If you could send me those two, I'd like to see those. But who was it? Who told you this stuff?
I need to make sure I have her. Her name is Emily Dillmore, but I need to make sure that that's because it was my girlfriend making the phone calls and stuff.
Oh, okay.
So I just got to make sure that if it was the adjuster or if it was Geico in the office. You know.
It sounds like it might have been Emily. Did I speak to you yesterday about this, or you somebody else? Because somebody else hit me with the same thing yesterday.
Uh, Not to you directly, but I mean, I was talking to Abigail a couple of days ago, and I was telling her the situation.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, okay. Well, no, I mean, again, like, you got literally a contract with Geico. They're supposed to take care of anything. And then also, there is something in the state of Texas called the appraisal clause. And basically, it's something that you can go ahead and invoke if insurance company underpays the claim and you disagree with the value. So, if I say, hey, look, at the end we repaired it, it's $12,000. They've only paid eight. You could also have you invoke the appraisal clause, and once you invoke that, you choose an appraiser of your choice. Sure, I got some I can recommend, and Geico will have to hire one, and then those two just go back and forth together. So.
Okay, and would I have to be doing all that, or do you guys take care of that?
So like basically, like say the vehicle's done, there's a balance or whatever, and you disagree that Geico should be paying it, which I mean technically they should if that's your contract, right? You could just tell them, hey, I invoked the appraisal clause. Basically, that just takes you out of it and takes me out of it, and then two appraisers deal together, and you get your car back even before we get paid for it. So.
Okay, so is there a chance that I might have to pay out of pocket? You're saying?
No, no. If
No.
they don't cover anything, and because we don't charge anything that is unreasonable, we don't charge anything that isn't owed, right? So what I'm saying is, if they don't fully pay for everything that's needed to properly repair your vehicle, you as a consumer can go ahead and invoke the appraisal clause, and that would allow you to go ahead and get your vehicle and us get paid eventually.
Okay.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. So you want me to email you this
Yeah,
the letters that you sent
email
me?
me the letter and then email me the information of the lady that was trying to steer you. Maybe just everything we just spoke about again. Just email it to me just so I can kind of have.
Okay. Yeah, her name should be on the up there on the
Yeah, if you
thing.
could in your email, just go ahead and kind of throw the brief like what we just discussed. What they were
Okay.
trying
Yeah.
to hit you with and how it worried you. And I'll go ahead and I'll text you the email right now.
All right. Yeah. Thank you.
Yep, thank you very much, sir. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye.